Namaste, dear friends. How are you doing? Hope everyone is fine. I know you've been waiting to meet new people and to listen to their interesting experiences, life experiences, and how they are trying to implement creativity in their own lives in different ways. So that's what we have been listening to different people and their thoughts about creativity. So let's just meet today. Today we have a very special guest joining us right from Sweden, and she is a very enthusiastic person and is pursuing a lot of things in her life. So without any further delay, I'll just ask her to join, and here she is joining us. Yes, here she is. Hi, namaste, Anika.
Hi, Rupali. How are you?
And I am great. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us at
Thank you
this
so much for
hour.
inviting me.
Yeah, that's a pleasure. And thank you for being so refreshing, even at this point of a time.
No, no.
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
can see
I
that.
know it's much later in India, but it's nice to see you so bright, at this time in India as well. So it's
Thank you so much. Yes. Anika, we would love to listen to what is it that keeps you busy these days.
yeah. So as I was telling earlier, there are a lot of things that are keeping us busy. Day-to-day work with regards to your jobs. Both
True,
me and my
true.
husband have jobs. We have two kids
Right.
who keep us extremely busy, and we have a home. And in Sweden, you don't have any help, so you have to do everything by yourself. So
True.
that's keeping us busy. Besides
Right.
that, we found a new hobby or a new passion, I would say. We've started
That's
vlogging,
great.
and that's actually
Mm-hmm.
opened our mind to a lot of other creative stuff. So
So
besides
interesting.
blogging, now I've actually started blogging. So I've created my own blog, and I keep putting my thoughts down. I've created a few articles of my own. It's not public, it's just that I keep putting my thoughts there. I've
So
become really
nice.
active on Instagram. You must have seen. I've always loved dancing. That was like something that I enjoyed as a child. But now I think
Great.
Instagram has given me a platform where I can explore and expand that skill. And I
Wow.
am trying to
Wow.
learn new steps and
Great.
perform on Instagram. So that's like a stage now for me. So that's a new skill that I'm
Great.
learning. And yes,
Great.
I've been active on LinkedIn. So I put down my thoughts. I keep creating articles as well. So these are a
Mm-hmm.
few things that's keeping me pretty busy. And I think it's really enhancing my own mind and creativity. Like as a child, I thought that being creative is only if you could draw or paint and something like that. But
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
today realizing that it's much beyond that. There are so many ways that you can be creative with. So yeah, so these are
Mm-hmm.
a few things that I've found being
Great.
creative with.
Great. And just because I feel that you have been exploring life to the fullest, that brings you so much of energy. And we
Absolutely.
just enjoyed your enthusiasm while you were explaining all your experiences. Yeah, great.
Thank you.
So continuing this thread of where you mentioned about that you now have started blogging, and then it led you to explore blogging and express your thoughts to all of us. So I would like to understand here, Anika, that sometimes I feel that we get blocked by adequacy, right?
Correct.
Whatever thing that we are doing, we are following the same routine, and we are so even if there is a problem, whatever first idea comes to our mind, first solution comes to our mind, we just implement that and then we are done with it. We don't try
Correct.
to explore things. That happens. But now, as you said, that the as you started blogging, and then you came up with so many different things. So there are two questions. One is, what do you think that really blocks us, that to try new things is the first question. And second, that how is that experience, like what led you to start with that vlogging? And then, as you already mentioned, that once you started one new thing, it
Correct.
automatically led you to explore so many different things. So yes,
Right.
again, the
So
first question, that what is it that blocks us
yes.
from
For
exploring new
me,
things?
yeah, for me, I think what blocks us most of the time is, I think, fear to
Okay.
explore new opportunities and try different things. Because what goes on in our mind is generally, if I do this, what if I fail? What will people think about me? How does it
True.
look? So I think as adults,
Yes.
maybe children are more open to exploring new ideas, but as adults, we always
Very,
limit
very
ourselves
true.
because of fear thinking, and we lack courage. We've reached a stage where we failed several times, and then we don't open our eyes to opportunities because we're just so scared of failing again. And I think fear
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
one of the most important things that
Most.
stops adults or
Right.
us from
Right.
achieving or doing new
Exploring.
things, explore new
Right.
things.
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
And
Right.
your
Right.
second
Right.
question was, sorry.
That what is it that led you to start your first new
Right.
thing? Like, as you said that you
Yes.
started with vlogging, but
Correct.
so initially you were not doing it and then you started it. What was
Correct.
it that triggered that I must try?
Correct. So, I mean, we've been living in Sweden for the last 4 years. It's quite, life was very calm, very settled. And then at one point of time, you feel that, is this all with life? Is there more that we can learn? Is it, do we know everything, kind of a thing? So, it's like
Hmm,
just
hmm,
trying to explore your potential, and trying to explore what are the new things that you can learn,
hmm.
and expand your horizon. So at that point, sometimes you feel you're just stagnated, you're not learning anything
True,
new,
true.
because
Hmm.
you're comfortable with you're just in a comfort zone. And I think at
Correct,
that point of
correct.
time, both my husband and me felt that we're too comfortable. What more can we do? We have reached a stage where we feel,
So,
okay, everything looks good, and
mhm.
let's open up horizons, and let's try something new. And we had some friends telling us as well, because we used to anyways take a lot of videos and send it on groups on
Mhm.
WhatsApp. So friends recommended, why don't you try this? So we said, wow, that's a very nice, interesting
Nice
option, so
idea.
let's do it.
Right.
And just to
Okay.
mention,
Okay.
before we could start blogging, actually, we did a lot of
Hmm.
brainstorming. We put down
Okay.
all our ideas. We have, if you see, there are a lot of boards here, and we put a lot of
Mm-hmm.
papers. We put down what are our thoughts.
Okay.
So it's not like the first idea. We actually put down, why would people
Right.
watch us? What
Wow.
are the things that we can record? So it was like a whole board of chits, and
Great
our
ideas.
yeah,
Yes,
wall filled
yes.
with ideas. So it was quite
Great,
interesting
great.
brainstorming.
Wow, wow. Great to know that. So I
Yeah,
would just summarize, Anika, what you said is first that it's the fear of trying new things is
absolutely.
what actually the courage. If we can gather that courage somehow. And other point that you mentioned was the stagnancy. That
Correct.
we just get stagnant and keep on doing that, whatever is the same routine. But then the moment we get this thought that let me try new things, so that
Correct.
openness you need to have, and it may come from any like from within, or maybe some experience can trigger it in you, or maybe
Correct.
someone's advice can trigger it in you. But
Absolutely.
the first thing is you need to have that openness of mind,
Absolutely.
right?
Correct. I
Right, right.
agree.
Now, yes, yes. Now, great to know, Anika, that you have children, right? And they keep you
Yes.
busy. So I would like to ask you one question. That now you said that you have been, you and also your husband, both of you have been trying so many new things and explore new ideas. You had the brainstorming session. So how do you think it's affecting your kids? Like, what kind of experience are they getting, and how are they learning new things from this, or what is it?
Yeah, I think for kids, they emulate whatever the parents do. I feel in a very large way. If they see the parents
Right.
are working hard, trying new things, doing exploring ideas, and I think
Hmm.
kids follow what parents do. Like, when we do Instagram recordings, my son
Hmm.
gives us ideas that, okay, you can do your recording this way. I will do it. So I can see that, he's giving us ideas. He's opening up his mind to what are the different ways that we can do records. So
He
he's
can.
11 now, but he's actually
Okay.
exploring. Like many of my friends tell, oh, he's really good in camera skills. Though he's just 11, he likes exploring that
Right.
option. So I think what we do, they try to look at us and they find out new ways of how they can get inspired by their by us.
Right.
So I
Right.
think it's
Right.
like my daughter as well. She loves she the kind of confidence she has now, and like looking at us standing in front of the camera and talking, she picks up the camera and she talks with the
Oh.
kind of confidence that I lack myself. So I'm really surprised as to how they
Right.
have started thinking, and she finds small ways to talk, like she'll get an ice cream and she'll explain the ice cream so well. She'll draw the ice cream as well. So she's
Wow.
really getting moving into that creative direction. I think I'm getting inspired by her now.
Great. Yes,
So
yes. They are the best inspiration. Children are the best
exactly, I
inspiration
agree.
for us, and we learn so many things from them. And
That's true.
as you rightly said that, children, they keep growing, seeing parents and seeing other people, the environment, the overall
Exactly,
environment.
yes. The
So
teachers,
the
the
more,
environment, yeah.
right. So the more they see these explorations going on around them, they might
Correct.
not get directly involved in it, but it inspires
It
them to
is
try their own things. As you said, that
absolutely
it gives them that want to express their own thoughts in whichever way. As you mentioned, that
correct.
how she talks about ice cream, at the same time she would like to draw ice cream. So
That's
various
true.
ways they know how to express. So
Correct.
as parents, I feel that it's our duty to
That's
encourage
true.
them to try new
Correct.
things ourselves, rather than teaching them that do it this way. Maybe we explore ourselves, and that's how we inspire them to explore and give
Correct.
them opportunity to express their own thoughts.
Correct.
Right.
Because I think if we are filled with fear, many times we push that fear onto our kids as well.
Right.
That
True.
no,
Without even
I don't think
knowing.
that's a good
Yes.
idea. You'll not succeed. So I think that's very
So
important that
true.
as
So true.
parents we come out of our fear, or even teachers. It's important
Right.
that we
Right.
encourage our kids to explore their opportunities and explore their creativity.
True. Very well said. Great.
Yeah.
So it's a pleasure listening to all your experiences, Anika.
But yeah,
So
thank you
I
so
would,
much.
yes, I would just like to ask you if you have something like some final words to share about whatever experiences that you have, and we'll just end the call after that. Yes?
Yes, so I think,
Yes.
we have to go above our fear, try new
Hmm.
things, open up ourselves to new skills. Don't think creativity is only in, doing your drawing or, painting and things like that.
True.
Creativity is so
True.
much beyond, something is beyond that. And it's important
Yes.
for us to keep upgrading ourselves, not remain stagnant, and try new things all the time. I think that's the only way to live. And I don't think we should survive as
Wow.
as I've
Wow.
read. We shouldn't survive. We should thrive.
Yes.
And I think that's the
Yes.
best way to continue thriving and enjoy life.
Wow. What a message to end this conversation, Anika. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Rupali, for having me. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.